So this is a video that will have a look at the pressure relief valve. Sometimes when you're using the 1512 filter unit, you'll find that the pressure is no longer indicating on the gauge despite the unit is running and the filter is new. The pressure relief valve is located right here in the filter block. All you need is a 6mm hex driver, or you can use a 6mm Allen wrench, a pick set, and a magnet. Ensure the unit has been de-energized and there is no pressure in the system. So isolate it if there are valves. You simply get your hex tool in here and remove the cap containing the, so this is just the holding part. Make sure it is clean. The gasket is not present here, so that means you need to have a look on the block. Look at the debris that you can see has accumulated in here from its last use. So we'll gently pry that O-ring off because it is going to be reused. Place it here, and then with this pick, you'll gently go inside and just grab the spring. So here's your pieces. So if you have a look between this portion here and the items inside that block, you can see how much debris has gotten trapped in there and needs to be cleaned. Next, I will get some brake cleaner and blow that in there in an effort to have that material come back. Safety first. Gloves, glasses, positive attitude. If there's anything on that seat where this valve resides, it will not seal and you will lose pumping efficiency. And just ensure nothing is in here. Here you can see there's debris on the spring. So what we've done here is made sure everything is nice and clean. You want to pre-assemble this as much as you can on here, being sure that the valve just goes straight in and you follow it in like that. It should tighten easily by hand. Otherwise you may have assembled it incorrectly. And just a gentle snug and you're ready to go back to work.
We're making a lot of new content to help you reduce costs and make better maintenance decisions. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos. And remember, don't drain it, maintain it.